Okay, so as we know, the Macintosh started out with Motorola 68K processors. And then in the mid-90s, they switched to a RISC ARM processor, the PowerPC. And they did that up through about 2005, 2006, somewhere around there before they went to Intel. Well, back in the day, in around 2000, 2001, somewhere around there, the Power Macintosh, as they called it, had the G4 processor. And Apple was still easily expandable by then, and this was a pretty amazing way to get to the system, to upgrade it. And it was beautiful. These computers were works of art. But then, in my opinion, other than the G4 Cube, after that, what became the Macintosh Pro in the same case style, the cheese grater, was the Power Mac G5. And this one is just a beauty. There's a little latch right here, and you click it like that, and then it folds out, but that's not it. You can see where it says G5 here, but look at this. This was not just decorative, which it is, but the airflow to keep the extremely hot running PowerPC, this covered that so the air would flow from front to back, back to front. This, in my opinion, in 2005, I believe, was the most beautiful computer that Apple ever made. It's just amazing, and I'm very lucky to have one. Turn the camera off.